Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Robeson, and hey guys, this has been a great Christmas, has it not? I am so impressed and blown away by how many of you have tuned in to see our Christmas videos this year, and of course watch some of our old ones, which we have over 100 Christmas videos here on YouTube. One of the things that I think has been really special about 2023 is this is the first year we've actually had a completely shoppable Christmas. And that means you can order things online through the Amber Marie and Company website, and they have a Rebecca Robeson page. Do you know that they actually sold out of everything at one point, I think maybe a week and a half ago? Well, Amber and Jerry have made it their mission to reorder, restock, and get as many of these things back in stock so that you can have them in your home this Christmas if you choose to. So, what do I have for you today? Well, we just recently had an open house at the Amber Marie and Company store, and at that open house there were hundreds of you that came. Many of you have been fans and followers for years, and it was such a blessing and an honor to meet you. So let's take a look at what the night of the open house at Amber Marie was like.
Hi everybody tonight! Are you excited to be here? Thank you for waiting. I forgot my perfume. I had to run back upstairs, so I was late. Tanya is the girl that I met at Hobby Lobby last year when I was trying to reach up and get something. I had no makeup on, and I was like, and she goes, "Oh, I'm tall. Can I do that for you?" And I said, "Sure." And she gets it and looks down at me and she goes, "Are you Rebecca Robeson?" I said, "Incognito, yes. Don't tell anyone."
Tell them about the door prize?
I'll tell them as they get further. These guys have heard about it, but when you go to check out, if you've spent $150 or more, your name will go into the hat for the deer. After we give away the deer, we're going to give away Mr. Choppers! My tree's inside on the left. Hello, Brenda. Hey, Leslie's here. Hey, how are you guys? I remember you from last year.
Yes. So I made my own version of your queen tree.
You did? I did. Oh, I want to see pictures. You take any pictures yet? Of course you did. Okay, show me when we get inside.
Okay, sounds good.
And you're the husband.
I am.
Yeah, I remember you from last year, and she was so cutely dressed. I remember that. And these guys were at my open house last year.
Yes, we were.
Yeah. So they're repeat customers.
Yes.
All right.
We drove in from Fort Worth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, I'm delighted that
We're happy to be here. It's so fun.
Good. You're going to have so much fun in there. It's I mean, it's like I look around and I keep seeing all these things. I bought earbud cleaner just last night. I mean, they have earbud cleaner. Did you? So you don't live here?
No.
You came from Kansas?
Yeah.
What? They came from Kansas.
Where?
Wichita.
Oh.
What did you get, Miss Sparkly? Did you get that purse I put on top?
I love that.
You just ruined my display, girl.
I know,
No.
I did.
Totally kidding. Oh, you have to get that. Are you getting that? Oh, it's the only one they got. I'm so glad you're getting it. Jerry's got a question. She's giving away something. Come here. If you came from over 30 miles away, 50 miles? Anyone here 50 miles away? 50. We got a couple over here. 60, 80? Topeka, Kansas.
Wow.
You're with, I got a Topeka, Kansas over here too. I was gonna say you should carpool. Just for the minute, I'm gonna act like I own the place, because wouldn't that be fun?
So this is the present I'm giving you this year.
Oh.
He's rich, chocolatey, well built, smooth and hot. You're gonna love him.
I'm gonna love him. You did a little contest asking people, you know, who came the farthest, right?
Yeah.
Now wait, these people are who came at the very last minute who knew nothing about this, but Viviana.
She knew about
watched my video.
She did.
The video I said today that, well, unless it was the other one, that we're doing this open house at Amber Marie. It's on the 9th, and she said,
When is that, Mama?
She said what?
When is that, Mama?
Oh,
the open house, and
And her mama said, in 2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours. So here we are.
so listen to this. What does Dad have to say? Then what did you do?
What's that say?
Well, they texted me to work and said, are we gonna do this? And I said, let's wait for me, I'm coming home. Rushed home, got changed, we had something to eat and came back.
Oh, thank
And of
you.
course, we needed to dress up for this, right?
Right?
Yes,
So
you
you look
look
at you.
very
Doesn't he look
handsome.
very dapper?
And look at this darling, beautiful dress.
I'm doing the machine wash, do the agitator spin.
Oh my gosh.
These are all the receipts of people who spent over at least $150 in their purchase. And I'm going to pick one now.
What are they going to win?
They're going to win. Hello. This guy. That I have the winner right here.
Oh my gosh. What is it? Drum roll.
Okay. The person's name is
Yes.
Dorothy Swindler.
Dorothy.
Is that you? Is that you? Dorothy! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Dorothy Swindler! You win! Yay! Yay! Congratulations! And thank you to all of you guys who came tonight and bought so many beautiful things for your home. We cannot wait to see what you're going to do to implement these things in your home and make your homes beautiful for Christmas. So from Jerry
Yes.
and Amber,
Yes.
Back here.
we all want to say Merry
Merry Christmas.
Who would have thought when I came in here for the first time about this time last year and saw the store and was blown away that a year later we would be sitting here together having just hosted a very successful open house with so many of my fans. What did you think?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe all the people. So many wonderful, sweet people that came.
We did.
Weren't they nice?
They were wonderful. It
And they
was
came
fun to
from-
meet everyone.
Yeah, they came from so far away.
I just tried this thing. You guys got to see this. It's, I don't know, what's this called?
Jalapeno Gold.
Jalapeno Gold, hot pepper jelly, spicy.
Spicy bacon chili jam.
There you go.
Very, very good.
So if you're in,
Good on gravel. Let me
right?
She's the real deal. You know, when I met her, I didn't know anything about her, and I'm a very skeptical person. And so I thought, okay, but she's genuine. What you see is what you get, and it's pure and it's good. She's got a lot of goodness in her heart. I just want you to know.
Thank you.
I'm a good judge of character.
You're good in a lot of things. And guess what? We've decided that for the year 2024, Christmas 2024, we've learned so much. It's going to be even bigger, better, and wow than it was this year. Let's say we do it.
Wow.
Bam! Wasn't that amazing? I mean, just to meet so many people who feel like they know me because they've been watching me for years. It was really an honor for me. So for those of you who were there, mwah, love you guys. All right, let me remind you that on the design sessions, we have bundled the Christmas design sessions this year. You can purchase them. Once you purchase them one time, you own them for a lifetime. I hope you'll go to the Amber Marie website and check it out and see if some of the things that you wanted to have for your home have been restocked, because I promise you they will do their best to get them out to you as soon as possible. All right, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you next time. I got to get back to shopping because I'm here in San Diego at the UTC Mall, and boy, have I done some damage today on that old credit card. But you know, I'm shopping for other people, so it's really fun. All right, great videos coming your way this next year, so keep watching. Oh, let me tell you something. Best thing ever, next week's video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of Sarah's shop. So many of you know that Sarah helped me decorate this year. I'm going to take you to her store in Wisconsin and you can see how she decorated her store this year. Great video to end off the month of November, roll right into December, and help you guys with your own Christmas decorating. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.